Linking your app to Google Admob and getting the app downloaded into your phone will help you to earn a lot of dollars that you've been always craving for. This app will make you to get this amount of money and also get paid every 21st of every month. So you keep on smiling to the bank every 21st of every month. So keep on watching this video from beginning to the end and don't skip any part of this video, as I will be teaching you how to create the Admob self-clicking app that will never get banned. 2021 updated. You heard what I said, 2021 updated. So for those of you that have been trying it, this method will help you to earn $50, $100, $1,000 every day. So it will make you to earn more money. So let's go to the video. But before then, welcome to Tech Kings, the channel that helps you to get everything done. So please click on the like button, click the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell button so as to get notified whenever we release a new video. So let's go straight to the point. Okay, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I told you on my previous video that we are going to be making our self-clicking Admob app. So that's why I taught you on my previous video on how to open an Admob account. So what we are going to just do now in little minutes, say 10 minutes, I want it to be sharp. I will need you to understand. I need you to not to skip any parts. Make sure you understand. So the first thing to do is to go to the platform where we'll be creating our self-clicking app. But before then, I want to show you the Admob account I opened yesterday. Let's check if it has been verified or not. So I'm just going to click on search for Google Admob. Google Admob. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to click on the first rank. I taught you yesterday that the first rank is actually the best. It could be in AS format or any format. So what we're going to do now is to click on get started. So I'm just going to click on it. Make sure you're following up. Then we signed in yesterday with this account, so I'm just going to continue with the account, sign in with current account. Then the next thing to do is to wait for it to load, guys. Let's check if we have actually been verified. Don't loud them, don't loud it. Oh, yes, I have verified. I can see notification here, 3 notifications. Let's check if we have been verified. Oh, network should not do shit this morning. Okay, so wow, your account is approved. Can you see, guys? Your account has been approved. I see the green mark with a tick. So let's mail revenues. So don't be carried away. Let's go back and open and create a self-clicking app. So the platform we'll be using today is App Creator 24. So that's the app we'll be using. So if you have not signed up, the first thing you will do is to sign up if you don't have an account with them. Okay, let me open it from the scratch. App Creator 24. App Creator 24. So you see, this is the first ranked, but it's not carrying App Creator 24, so we just scroll. You can see this is the next ranked, and you click on it. Then it takes you to the platform where you can actually sign up and log in. So make sure you sign up first. I have a video on how to create apps using App Creator 24, so I'll paste the link in the description below. Do well to check. So I'm just going to sign in because I have an account with them. So sign in. Oh, I'm loving these guys. Come and make some cool money. So if you scroll down, you see all these apps are apps I created and they're all on Play Store. You can check for them. Just type Ola Developer and you'll see my apps on Play Store. So now what we want to do is to create an app, a self-clicking app. Remember, this app is not going to Play Store. If you want the app that will go to Play Store, my WhatsApp group link is there. You could contact me through there. So I'm just going to use Google as the app name. Let me choose the app picture. Okay, I'm just going to use Google app picture. Okay, so we're using the primary language of English. Description, let me just do web app. Okay, then you click on next. Then it takes you to where you're going to put the style of the app. What's going on? My network. Okay, the style of the app. Then you click ICS. Then you click next. I love ICS very much. So once you get to stage 3, you click on applications and it takes you back to the home page. Now you scroll down and search for that app. You can see it's Google. I've actually created one before, so you click Google, then it takes you into the app. Now the next thing to do is to click on sections. So you click on sections, create section. Then the next thing to do, since it's Google that wants to create, it's going to be a web app. So you click on web app, you type in the section Google, that's the section name, then the web address is Google. So I've already copied it. How to do that, let me show you in a GV. You click on this, you click on the new tab, you type google.com. Then once it loads, this is where your home page is housed. So you click on it, then you see that I copied it. That's what I did. I had already done it earlier. So you paste there and you click on save. Now the next thing to do, want our app to be just one page, so we're going to go to the design menu type. Then you click on menu type, then you click on without menu because we want it to be a drop down menu, just one page. Then you click on save and you're done. The next thing to do is to link your Admob account to this. You know, yesterday we created web app, we created we created ads units. So let me log in back and copy the ads unit. I told you yesterday to copy the ads unit and put somewhere. It's called a seed, where Admob knows that they have planted something, and that's the seed. So if you have copied the Admob ads unit, you just click on this, your app, then you click on view app. Then you wait for it to load. So you scroll down, there is a place where you see add units. Wow, okay, let me get that. So under the app overview we have ads units. So we're just going to copy it from here. So I'm going to copy the banner ads. Then the next thing to do is to go to your app creator 24. Okay, then you click on ads on the app creator 24. You can see here ads. Then under the banner Admob ID you paste here. You know, remember it's the banner ads that we copied, so you paste. Then you go back and copy the interstitial ads ID. You can see here I've copied it. Then you go back and see the interstitial ads page, then you paste. Once you've done that, you can set it, but it's already set to default. Then you scroll down and click save. Then the next thing to do is to download your app. They will ask us to wait for about 1 minute. Okay, so you just wait. Let's wait for it to be fully programmed. We'll just wait for 1 minute. So during the time of wait, guys, please do make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you can be notified whenever we release any new video. Please subscribe. If you want to make money online, free money app, free paying tips and tricks, free paying platforms, platforms where you click one ads and you get $100, and this is the exact platform for you. This is the YouTube channel for you. Everything we drop here is tested and trusted. Nothing is falsified on my channel. So those on my WhatsApp group can testify to that. Any airdrop I drop, anything I drop about making money online, simple tips and tricks, they are always legit. They have tested me and they have known that it is legit. So let's still wait for that to load. While doing that, you can also go through other features on this platform. You could create apps. I'll be making a video on how you can create games. You can also create games from these platforms. So let me show you small about games. So if you want to create this, you just click create section, then you go to games. There are varieties of games there for your consumption. So let me just show you the type of games. Let me see. Select game. You can see there are different types of games there: Chroma Challenge, Math and Bat, Stacking Pancake, all of them. And you know what, you could just create these apps and upload to Play Store and they are accepted. So you could explore that too if I were you. But our main aim now is to download this app. We want to download this app. Okay, it's ready. So you click on download. Yes, it's downloaded. The app is downloading. About 9.21 MB. So if you're enjoying this video, please give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. So you can see the app icon. So if you just want to upload an app to Play Store, I do that for free. You could contact me. So that is that. Okay. Okay, sir. So let's wait for it to download. Okay. Okay. As you can see, it's still downloading. Just 7 MB over 9 MB, so it's almost done. Okay, it's finished downloaded. So guys, the app have finished downloading. So the next thing to do is to install it. So you're just going to click on that, but I'm not going to waste your time installing it because I've wasted your time a lot. So but for those that have been following my videos, you know that my videos are not waste of time and data. So you just click on install, then you run the app. But when you run the app, you notice that ads are not showing. The next thing to do is go to your Google Chrome, Play Store, and download this app editor, APK editor, or APK parser. So you download APK parser, then you select an APK file, then or you select APK from app. So you know you have downloaded and installed it, so you select it from the app, then you choose the app you want to use. So you know I've not installed it, so you just press stop, then you click on the app. Once you click on the app, you wait. Then you do use defaults. The thing to do next is just to save. Now doing this, you convert the app to this thing, you want to rebuild it. What we want to do now is to rebuild the app. This place now is where you are going to choose if the app is English or whichever language. So it's set to English. So you just wait for it to finish encoding, decoding, sorry. So let's wait for it to finish decoding. Okay, so let me not waste your time. Once it finishes decoding, it will show build up here. So you click on build. Once you click on build, about that, once you click on build, then you install the app again and it will show your ads live. So that brings us to the end of this video. Till next time, we'll see you again. Goodbye and stay blessed. God bless you.